Hello everyone, welcome back to my channel Learn with Sunil. Friends, today we are going to learn one of the beautiful poem of the Nobel Prize winner poet Rabindranath Tagore. The name of the poem is The Little River. Let's read the poem. The Little River. Our little river, it meanders along. In summer, the water is only knee deep, and cows and carts can cross it with ease. For the banks, though high, are not too steep. No sign of slime, the sand shine bright. On one shore, cash fields blossom white. Chirping mynas through that side, the jackal's howl is heard there at night. Across lies groves of mango and palm. The village priests dwell in their cool shade. Girls and boys bathe close to the bank, splashing with their gumchas as they wade. At dusk and dawn, once their bath is done, they dip washcloths to trap small fish. To their household tasks the wives return, having used river sand to scour each dish. In Ashad clouds gather, the waters rise. The rivers in spate, the current grows strong. The air is rife with babbling sounds as the muddy torrent swells along. The woods on shore stir to life again, and our village wakens to celebrate the rain. First stanza. Our little river, it meanders along. In summer, the water is only knee deep, and cows and carts can cross it with ease. New word, meanders, flows with twists and turns. Explanation. Here, the poet Rabindranath Tagore describes their little river that flows with twist and turn in summer season. The water in the river is not so deep, it's only knee deep. Hence, cows and carts can easily cross the river. The banks of the river are very high, but not very steep to climb on for the animals.
मराठी स्पष्टीकरण. रवींद्रनाथ टागोर आपल्या एका छोट्याशा नदीचे वर्णन करताना म्हणतात, ही लहानशी नदी वळणे घेत घेत जाते आणि उन्हाळ्यात नदीमध्ये फक्त गुडघ्यापर्यंतच पाणी राहते. त्यामुळे प्राणी आणि बैलगाड्या सहजरित्या नदी ओलांडून जाऊ शकतात. अशा या नदीचे किनारे उतरते आहेत.
Second stanza. No sign of slime, the sand shine bright. On one shore, cash field blossom white. Chirping mynas through that side, the jackal's howl is heard there at night. New words, slime, thick slippery substance. Cash, tall grass with white feathery flowers. Explanation. Poet says, in summer season, the river has very little water. Bank is not at all muddy, so water looks very clear. There is only sand on the bank of the river that shines brightly. On the other side of the river, there are cash fields, means there grows tall grass with white feathery flowers. Further, poet says, at daytime we hear chirping sound of mynas, and at night we hear jackal's howl.
मराठी स्पष्टीकरण. कवी पुढे म्हणतात, उन्हाळ्यामध्ये नदीत फार कमी पाणी असते. नदीचे किनारे स्वच्छ असतात, पाणी नितळ असते आणि वाळू चमकत असते. नदीच्या दुसऱ्या किनाऱ्यावर उंच गवतावर पांढऱ्या रंगाची फुले बहरलेली असतात. दिवसा मैनाचे ओरडणे ऐकायला मिळते, तर रात्रीचे कोल्ह्याचे केकांडे.
Third stanza. Across lies groves of mango and palm. The village priests dwell in their cool shade. Girls and boys bathe close to the bank, splashing with their gamchas as they wade. New verse. Gamchas, thin cotton towel, wade, walking in a shallow water. Explanation. Across the river, there is a grove of mango and palm trees. The village priests live under cool shade of trees. Boys and girls enjoy river water. They splash water with their gamchas while walking through the knee-deep water.
मराठी स्पष्टीकरण. पुढच्या कडव्यात कवी म्हणतात, नदीच्या पलीकडे आंब्यांच्या आणि ताडांच्या झाडाची लागवड केलेली आहे. गावचा पुजारी या नदीच्या किनारी झाडांच्या थंडगार सावलीत राहतो. या गुडघ्या एवढ्या पाणी असणाऱ्या नदीच्या पात्रात हातात सुती वस्त्र घेऊन मुले खेळत असतात.
Next stanza. At dusk and dawn, once their bath is done, they dip washcloths to trap small fish. To their household tasks the wives return, having used river sand to scour each dish. New verse. Washcloths, small cloth for washing face. Scour, scrub. Explanation. The poet adds that every morning and evening they take bath in the river water. Means they bathe 2 times a day. After bath, they dip their washcloths to catch the small fish. In the evening, women came to wash the utensils on the river bank. They use river sand to scrub the utensils.
मराठी स्पष्टीकरण. सूर्योदयाला व सूर्यास्ताला दिवसातून 2 वेळा ही मुले नदीत आंघोळ करतात. त्यानंतर जाळीदार कपड्याच्या मदतीने मासे पकडतात. गावातील स्त्रिया संध्याकाळी नदीकाठी येऊन नदीच्या वाळूने भांडी घासतात.
Last stanza. In Ashad, clouds gather, the waters rise. The rivers in spate, the current grows strong. The air is rife with babbling sounds as the muddy torrent swirls along. The wood on shore stirs to life again, and our village wakens to celebrate the rain. New words. In spate means a sudden flood. Rife means full of. Babbling means talking rapidly. Torrent means a rapid flow of water. Stir to life means become alive with sound and movement. Explanation. In the last stanza, poet describes the river in the Ashad. Dark clouds gather in the sky and it starts raining. The water level of the river rises very high. The river water flows with great speed. The wind blows with great noise and banks of river turn muddy. Speedy water creates swirls. The rainwater helps to grow the new plants and trees on the bank of the river. All the villagers gather to welcome the rain and new life beside the river.
मराठी स्पष्टीकरण. शेवटच्या कडव्यात कवी आषाढ महिन्यातील नदीचे वर्णन करतात. आकाशात काळे ढग एकवटतात व पाऊस सुरू होतो. नदीतील पाण्याची पातळी वाढते आणि नदी वेगाने वाहू लागते. पाण्याच्या वेगवान हालचालीमुळे पाणी गढूळ होऊन जाते. पाण्यात भोरे दिसायला लागतात. नदीकाठच्या वनस्पती आणि झाडांना पाऊस पुनर्जीवित करतो. या वर्षा ऋतूचे स्वागत करण्यासाठी संपूर्ण गाव नदीकिनारी जमा होतो.